yeah guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well wherever you are. So yes guys, today I'll be doing a room tour video. I'll be showing you guys my room. So yeah guys, I'll hope you'll be able to enjoy watching this video. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post. So yes guys, let's get right into the video.
So guys, I share this room with my cousin. She's not around right now. This is my side. These are my bags. Yeah, though the handbags are not mine. This is where I keep my products, my lotion, my perfume, my mirror. Yeah, and the other side is hers, though I'm not going to show that. This is where I sleep. This is my bed. I also have my mosquito net. I also keep my Bible, my diary, and also my lip gloss here. Before I forget guys, let me show you guys something. So we have to lift our beds with these stones. As you can see, the ground is not leveled the same. So some place is up, another place is down. So if you don't put the stones to lift your bed, you'll find yourself like one side of the bed going down. So yeah guys, that's what we do. So guys, that is it for the room tour. This is where I sleep, my humble place. So please be nice in the comments, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post. Bye.